No guts, no gory. Haha! You see what we did there? About the... Forget it.
How profound.
All right, the con is ready. Pull that lever to open the gate.
Okay, I'm pulling this lever right here to open the gate. Yes, the gate is now open because I pulled...
Dude! We get it, High Moon. Thanks. Nuts, this is gonna hurt. All right, player, let's not be shy. Just start a cutting. Dude, we have another dude inside us. Yeah, not in the fun way.
What is that? It's a four-armed zombie. I knew there'd be zombies down here. Kill it!
Look! Yes, yes! Stand next to the red barrels! Deadpool angry!
Kids! The kid machine's unstable. Are you sure? We have to risk it. He's down.
Hey, babe, good to... Dad, my girl. Omnipotent. Otherworldly. Hot. She totally wants me. And I understand that because I totally want me too. We met during some of my near-death experiences. We can't be together until I die. But I can't die! Hey, babe, good to see you.
It's been a long time, darling.
What am I doing here? What are you doing here? Why are we dancing?
You've bled out, my love. And now we're together. As always, our time is short. I need you to do something for me.
Just name it, Sugar Skull.
Mr. Sinister is exhuming mutant corpses and harvesting their DNA.
Ooh, sounds heavy.
The spirits of those mutants still linger here, yearning to stop him. I cannot claim them.
Hey, you ate my late burger with queso.
You want me to free their souls, my bony muffin?
Yes.
I got this, babe.
Deadpool.
Yes, my bony bride.
Pull yourself together.
What a dream. We're sending you down the tracks. Zombie? Treasure? Wow, you are one lucky. Legs! Stay attached! Oh, how we missed you. All right, a keg to get the minecart moving. But why use one keg when we can use 3? Why use 3 when we can use 1,000,000 exploding kegs?
Hey, stop! That isn't a toy! Stop! It wasn't programmed to handle this type of abuse! Oh, no! Stop! You break the scripting for the level!
Scripted? Hey, only I'm allowed to break the fourth wall in this game. Hey, where did that keg machine go? And the kegs! Maybe we should have listened to that cow. Cat! Thought I missed. See these? These are bullets. I need these. Oddly intimidating progression-stopping spikes. Oh, you'll get yours, meanie mashy spikes. Oh yeah, we got plans for you. Hey, we pulled the lever right there and opened the gate.
That's fine work on that lever, son.
Door open? Check. Now for the minecart. Let's see you dodge these babies. And then there were none. Hands in the air. Here we go.
Stick with you.
Skeletons?
You're stinking hitman.
Skeletons with outrageous French accents?
Only in our game.
Hey, it's Cable. What up, Cable, old pal?
Shut up and get down here.
Can do. You have got to try this ride.
Sinister's clones are here. My calculations show this to be a major confluence of temporal flux.
Of course. Temporal flux. I don't get it.
Just play along.
Damn it, Deadpool. You have no idea how important your role is in stopping Sinister.
You know what I mean. Come on! You look like you needed some air. Dad, missed you, babe. What you doing up there?
Atop this platform are 3 statues. Choose one. Retrieve the spirit and bring it here.
Let the quest for booty begin!
Destruction comes in groups of 3. Kill these statues. Set us free. What a beautiful poem. So human. What the fuck does it mean?
Hear no evil. Green, envy, the killer of lovers.
Hear no evil. And I'm where now? Technically, I'm a mutate. Get it straight, buddy. Would it kill you to do a better job killing them? Bullets! How convenient.
You guys, get down there! That's the guy who pays our bills!
I know. How about you give me some of your brains? I dare you to try that again.
There he is! Grenades!
How's that for a souvenir?
You're no match! Is he still alive? There he is!
Just have to stay in one piece and it's a bit longer.
Over the lift on...
Now with ninja slice and dice attack.
Weakling!
Predictable. Nope. Try again. You guys aren't very good at following directions. You weren't supposed to lower the lift until after I was dead. Those likes to throw kegs, huh? You? What about you? This ain't a paintball, Skipper. I sent you. My bullets, mine! That's the jump button. Congratulations, Dick. You know, locking me in may not have been your best plan. Technology is your friend. Well, not your friend. will be back. Kill you to do a better job killing them? Hey, what's your blood type? Ready? Fight! Who am I? I'm Deadpool, the merc with the mouth. Seriously, don't they teach you clones anything about history? What do they just pop you out of a machine and give you a gun? Let me drop a little knowledge on you clowns. First, I was a villain, like you chumps, but better looking. But that sucked, so I tried to be a good guy like Wolverine, but better looking. And we can't forget the evil secret Canadian military science lab. And some killing, and more killing, and more killing. Technically, the killing never really stopped. And that brings us to the present. Cha-ching! Technology is our friend. Sometimes I let my guns do the talking. And boy, are they chatty. I blame you, Daniel Way. Now I have a machine gun. Ho, ho, ho! Okay, all done with the killing. What now?
Follow me.
Shh.
You may claim what treasure you find, but do not wander too far into the shadows. Not all spirits in the catacombs are pleased by the presence of outsiders.
Gotta get back to the light. Oh, babe, where you going?
A better view of what's to come. Stay your course. Do not panic. Oh, we have a visitor. Show your love for me and free its soul.
This is the part where I kick your ass. Yeah, baby. Maybe we could pick up the pace?
You are hungry, as am I. Follow. We have arrived. The spirit belonged to a mutant who could control the fires of hell if he chose. Proceed carefully, my love. You will be tested.
Oh, we love side-scrollers. Oh, this is old school right here.
Nice play, High Moon.
Consider this level Deadpool approved. Booty. You look familiar. Did I spin you like a beanie propeller and leave you in a motel room in Dubuque? Treasure! There you go. I can say chimichanga in 7 languages. And look at the swing on this kid. That's major league talent right there. Avast! 'Tis booty. Yar. Yar. Hey, it's a hammer. Don't overthink it. Oh, so good. And then, hey, it's the keg machine. Hey, buddy. Sorry for breaking your scripting earlier. No hard feelings, right? Oh, kegs! Thanks, pal. No, really, you shouldn't have. Really. You know what I think? I think it's trying to kill us. We need to get out of here. Looks like it has a spirit in it.
I have waited long for this.
Hey, I'm back! Cable, you silly boy. Are you still blasting clones out here?
Wait, you're back. What happened?
Some murdering, solving. And all I got was this spirit in a statue. What a gift.
Spirits? Of course! These must be the spirits that are linked to the mutant corpses sinister as out down here. No wonder his clones are crawling all over everything.
Take care of this statue before I enter another door.
Lock and load. It's gonna get hot in here.
Yes. 2 spirits remaining. You're doing well, my dear. Soon. Soon.
It's quiet. Too quiet. Those clones will be back. I'm sure of it.
And door number 2?
See no evil. Purple, the color of nightshade. My favorite flower.
Any clones that enter?
See no evil?
Oh, wait. Hurry. I thirst for those souls.
This is a zombie mist. We may be in trouble.
The Genosians wouldn't leave zombies for us. They're the treasure-leaving types. Treasure!
Shh! Zombies, remember?
Treasure!
Down this hall. The spirits are this way.
Hurry up with those bodies! Hey, this one's still warm. For the last time, 1138, do not mix your DNA with the samples. One of these bodies could contain the master mutant DNA chain.
Those don't sound like zombies.
That's not a zombie, that's a clone. You lie. And the crowd goes wild. It slices and dices and chicken fried rices. Ooh, shiny. Special delivery. Now these should come in handy. Great, you got that thing I sent you. Bullet. Oh, it just never gets old, you know what I'm saying? No thanks, necessary evildoer.
There's a boat approaching.
Is it a motorboat? Oh, we love motorboating.
Hop on, my darling.
Have I ever told you that you're my favorite dead girl?
Wait, what the hell? Oh, that wasn't so bad. Could have done that with our eyes. Oh. Hey! Look over here!
Behold, the treasure of the great mutant of transmutation. Under his rule, society learned that greed has its price.
Knock, knock, spirit. Open up. What the?
Julio, the amazing.
Julio, the
They have
amazing.
been waiting for your arrival, but you must prove your worth. You must pass the test. Look into your own soul. Only then will the spirit emerge.
Oh no, it's the contest winner we promised to put in our game. You were supposed to be the pizza delivery guy from my apartment in level 1! Hey, we got... With or without swamp sauce. Come on, pizza lover.
Back to the head.
Julio the Amazing. The amazing Deadpoolio will now read your mind.
You are guessing of a number between 1 and 10. Your number is... Your mind, like a sack of angry ferrets, gnashing their way to freedom.
Ah, the mighty Deadpoolio cannot read your mind.
You must be the chosen one.
2 tests remain.
Did I leave the oven on? Do I even have an oven? Did I put someone in that oven? Deadpoolio, the amazing! I am Deadpoolio! Prepare for the ultimate battle! Paper! Bear! Cockroach! Mouse! Ice! You won! The chosen one must have cheated, you cheater!
Seek the final test.
Deadpoolio, the amazing. The amazing Deadpoolio demands to know, should the strong triumph over the weak, or the weak over the strong? Only the chosen one shall find the balance.
I wanna be big! Open sesame!
You have found your balance, chosen one.
You have done well. Return to claim the spirit.
Oh, the chosen one.
Yoo-hoo! I'm back!
Whatever you're doing, Wade, keep doing it. My readings show the area became more unstable when you returned the statue. If you keep it up, this whole cavern will collapse, destroying the corpses Sinister is trying to get his hands on. That's another one for me, Wade.
I'm Wade Wilson, and I approve this message.
Hurry up, Wade. Time is ticking. Not that I can't just go back in time and do this all again if you screw up.
Yes, one spirit remains.
Oh, what happens then?
10th time's the charm. You'll get it this time, Wade.
Final door. What treasure awaits?
Get to it, Wade.
Speak no evil. Orange, a delicious fruit for the living.
Speak no evil. Man, I hate standing in line. Easy, I want to ride here. Don't mess this up for me.
I only threw up once.
Oh, okay. I'll wait. Excuse me, can I get by? My friends are up front. Not sure if you knew, but I'm kind of a big deal. This is like my video game. Like, I can just get you programmed out of existence if I wanted to. I'm kind of losing it here. I can't take it anymore! Don't you know I'm loco? Cutting edge of awesome! One, please.
Your ticket.
Oh yeah, let's do this thing.
Win me a prize. And don't forget to scream.
There better not be any clowns on this ride. Freaking hate clowns. And cows. Cows are clowns without the L in the end.
The scariest show on earth!
Oh, cool! It's a circus! I'll kill them all! Get nothing! This looks oddly familiar. Where am I? I know how thick-headed you are. You're front out of hero school, huh? Regions. Use parts of them. What? Hey, what are you gonna do? To put it bluntly, I want to face the last thing. I wanna die. Please, kill me.
If you really want me, if you mean it, kiss me. That's all. A single kiss.
You're so strong.
Well, that wasn't part of the plan. Look at us! Just two guys, both with regenerative powers, fleeing what used to be a dormant horde of evil killer robots. Ah, this is the life. A little QT with the old movie. Good times, Logan. Oh, look, it's me! I guess you could say this is a metaphor for all the messed up shit in my head.
I resent that remark.
Hey, who you calling messed up?
Us.
Oh, okay. Well, we kind of are.
Impressive skills.
Ooh, a tunnel of love. That ride was fun, but I can't help but wonder where all the clones went.
You've done more than you know. Don't speak. Just kiss me.
Hey, I'm back! This is so cool!
Hurry! Set the idol in its place. The soul's hunger for release. The destruction of the catacombs can now begin. Now we can be together. Forever!
Does this mean we're going steady? Baby, you're the deadest.
You release the spirits for me. Thank you, my darling. Now, you must leave me.
What? No, babe. Was it something I said?
Oh, it's something you are, Wade. You're alive. Go. Finish your journey. And stop Sinister.
But baby!
Our time will come.
You believe this? Cock-blocked twice in my own game. Cowboy up, nerd. Time for melon farmers to pay the ferryman. That's an America fuck yeah moment right there.